What's up, guys? It's John here. It's a little early this morning, 5 o'clock. Got big things we're doing today. Stay tuned. No, it's too early for this. Guys, I'm sure you're wondering what the hell is going on, but we're about to add a new car to Thompson Tuners, so stay tuned, it's coming right up. You guys know what's up. Well guys, check it out. Look at that booty. Oh, that carbon fiber looks so sexy. Look at that. Oh. Loving it. Well guys, I did it. Cruising around my not brand new, but my 05 WRX. I love that hood scoop. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see there's windmills over there, but I'm pretty sure I flew in right over those when I flew in this morning. Pretty crazy. I love these rocks. Alright, so one thing I found out I don't like about this car, it does have a racing steering wheel, which is awesome. It grips really well. And it turns in nice, a lot better than the Prelude, but it sucks not having cruise control. I cannot really keep it below 80. I just want to go fast. But other than that, I'm freaking loving this car. It's awesome. Alright guys, we came up to some good turns. Let's see how this thing handles while driving one-handed. Oh yeah, that is nice. I don't think I need to do 60, I think I could do 90 while I'm driving in Mexico. Oh yeah. That hugs that road. And here's my exit. Holy crap, it has been a long drive, especially with no cruise control. But finally made it home. And freaking love this car. It's been driving amazing. So stay tuned and we'll have some videos, some reviews and installs for it. And we'll see you guys next time.